In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover unsaved documents in Microsoft Word. Launch the Microsoft Word application. Let's take a blank document from here. Type something on the page. This is just for example. You can see here that my autosave is off. Now let's close the application. As I'm closing the app without saving the document, Word will suggest saving the document. I will click on Don't Save from here, as I don't want to save the document. Now suppose you need the unsaved document. If I open Word again, it doesn't provide that unsaved document. But there is a way to recover the unsaved document. In the left side menu, click on Open. At the bottom of this menu, click on Recover Unsaved Documents. Here, you can see the list of unsaved documents. Select your desired document from here and click on Open. Here, you can see that our lost document has been recovered. Now you can save your file if you want. If you want to see the files in your hard disk, click on File. In the left side menu, click on Options. In the pop-up menu, go to the Save tab. In the Save tab, you can see a file location in the Auto Recover section. Select and copy the file location from here. Now close Microsoft Word and open this PC. In the address bar, paste the file location. Here, you can see the unsaved Word files. Following these steps, you can recover your unsaved document easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.